Hello and welcome to this mini tutorial where we will break down and build back up the pronunciation of the word analysis. So here's the phonemic script, and you can see that the stress comes after the first sound. That first sound is a weak vowel, so we don't say analysis, it's an And then our stressed part of the word is that now. So you've got your n, a, l, now. Another schwa, so it's an and then sis. So make sure you're not voicing those s's. It's a nice hissed s, sis, like in sister. So building all of those back together. Analysis. Analysis. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. If you haven't already, check out the homepage. Thanks for watching and have a great day.